slovensko-avstralskim plesnim parom Gordano in Trentom smo se nazadnje pogovarjali pred letom dni, preden sta odšla v Avstralijo obiskati Trentove starše. How long have you been to Australia?
The last visit to Australia, we were there for 3 months. We went home to visit my family for Christmas, and while we were there we worked on the television show So You Think You Can Dance as choreographers. So that was a very exciting experience. That's one of the biggest shows in Australia with over 2 million viewers. So.
And when you compare this with the work you've done on Broadway?
Mogoče je v primerjavi z Broadwayem je mogoče razlika v tem, da je to najin šov in morava vidva narediti koreografijo, midva morava kostume, jaz jih osebno delam kostume, midva morava za celo organizacijo plesati, poskrbeti, plus tega morava plesati v šovu. Na Broadwayu pa potem si ti samo tam in plešeš v bistvu, ne? In v bistvu vsi drugi za tebe vse uredijo, od stanovanja do kostumov, do koreografije. V Sloveniji sva že od marca in ostaneva do januarja. In 3. januarja potem odpotujeva na Florido, kjer vodiva 4 mesece manjšo skupino Burn the Floria, kateri sva tudi plesala na Broadwayu in sva tam tudi menedžerja.
Last time we were thinking about staying in Australia for a while and we prepared everything for our dog to take her to quarantine, and we were thinking about that because there might have been a possibility to work there, but in the end we decided it'd be better off to come back to Slovenia, and it's a lot easier with the dog because they have to be in quarantine for a minimum of 1 month, so it's a lot of stress. So we'll save that for when we're definitely going to spend a lot of time there.
Za letošnje novo leto še nimata posebnih načrtov. Najverjetneje ga bosta preživela v Sloveniji, doma s psičko Badi. Seveda pa nas je zanimalo, kako drugačno je praznovanje novega leta in božiča v Avstraliji.
It's probably about 35 degrees difference, but it's very festive. Like, we obviously celebrate Christmas exactly the same thing. Everybody just gets brand new bikes and surfboards instead of snow skis.
You get the presents in the morning.
Yeah.
On 25th.
And we celebrate on Christmas Day, not on Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
So Santa Claus brings the presents
in the morning
when you wake up.
Yeah. So I get twice presents. I get on 24th at night, and then I wake up on 25th and I get presents.
Which sides did you show Gordana in Australia?
A lot of the beach. Where I live is about 5 minutes from the beach, so every day pretty much down the beach, running on the beach, going for swims. So, and then we spent a lot of time in North Sydney. In DY we had a nice apartment right on the beach, so we spent about a week there, and yeah, that was really nice.
Gordano, ki je od Trenta nekaj let starejša, smo vprašali, kako dolgo še namerava plesati.
Glede na to, da se mi počasi že biološka ura izteka, še verjetno nekje tako pač predvidevava, nekje 3 do 4 leta, ne, zaradi mene. In potem sem morala ustaliti, ne, ker če imaš otroka, se lahko bi imela že otroka sedaj, ampak potem ne moreš potovati okrog, ne. Ko se bova ustalila, pol bova pa verjetno odprla plesno šolo, ki je v Avstraliji ali pa...
So, since last time, which new Slovene words did you learn? Tell us.
I speak Russian, though.
Sobota večer, plesna treniranja, ne?
Plesno treniranje,
yeah? Training the dog. Saturday and Sunday mornings.
Pasje.
Ja,
Remember